Building a dream, one tiny brick at a time. We start with the foundation, carefully laying out the perimeter and securing the steel reinforcement. It's all about precision from the ground up. Next, we pour the concrete for our structural pillars. Once they're set and the forms are removed, we lay the main floor slab. Even at this scale, strength and stability are the top priorities. Now the walls begin to rise. Using miniature bricks and real mortar, we frame the windows and the doorway. Watch as the structure transforms from a simple base into a sturdy little home. Time for the finishing touches. We apply a smooth coat of plaster, add a splash of color, and set the roof in place. From a pile of cement